Do you know which country has the largest number of native grape varieties? Is it France, Italy, or the United States? So Italy is a destination country. It's on everyone's bucket list, and we all know it's an amazingly beautiful country with a rich cultural heritage and fantastic cuisine. There's no doubt about this. Italy's 20 regions are as diverse and unique as its actual boot shape. In fact, it's probably one of the most recognizable countries in the world. Italy is the country that has the largest number of native grape varieties. If you think about the boot, from tip to toe, the landscape changes dramatically and drastically. It's this change, it's this diversity in grape varieties and diversity in macro and microclimates that make it such an amazing wine-producing region, unlike any other. So if we think about Italy, if we think about the boot, we can divide it into three main parts. So north, central, and south. In the north, we have the snow-capped Alps that crown Italy, and they give way to verdant fields. Here, we have some of the most important wine-producing regions in Italy. Piedmont, which is the land of reds, Barolo and Barbaresco, and the Nebbiolo grape. Moving eastward, we find Lombardia with its famous sparkling wine Franciacorta, the fresh red wines of Valtellina, and the mythical wines of Lake Garda, which also happens to overlap with Veneto. Of course, in Veneto, we have bubbly, sparkling Prosecco, a wine that everyone knows and loves, as well as big, bold Amarone. And finally, we make our way to Friuli, Venezia, Giulia, with the crisp white wines of the Collio area. As we move down into the center of Italy, so down through the backbone of Italy, which is a mountain range called the Apennines, we find Tuscany. So Tuscany is the most important wine-producing region in central Italy. Of course, we have Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, a city full of art with Brunelleschi's dome watching over it. We have Sangiovese, the grape variety, the king grape variety in Tuscany that produces food-friendly Chianti and very elegant Brunello. As we move down to the south, the sun gets brighter, it gets warmer, life slows down a bit. Napoli, Amalfi Coast, and Capri are amazing areas. They're tourist destinations, but not everybody knows that this area also produces amazing white wines like Fiano and Greco, and it produces the Barolo of the south, known as Taurasi, which comes from the Aglianico grape. As we move down further into the heel of Italy, we're in Puglia, and here we have the Primitivo grape, which is a cousin to Zinfandel, which I know a lot of you know, so we're talking robust fruity wines. And then moving into Sicily, an amazing island with a varied history, a rugged landscape, and the volcanic soils of Etna, which are a wine lover's paradise. So Italy is obviously much more than this. There's 20 regions, and every nook and cranny is packed with wine. So follow us for more. Head over to the Mamablip website, subscribe to our channel, follow all our social media, ask us questions, anything you want to know about Italy, about wine, about the culture, about the food, we're here for you.